Las Vegas's lawn care market presents unique challenges and opportunities shaped by its desert climate, water restrictions, and seasonal demand. Service peaks occur in spring and fall for renovations and irrigation checks, while summer focuses on maintenance for heat-tolerant lawns. Customers range from busy homeowners to property managers and HOAs, each motivated by factors like curb appeal, water savings, or regulatory compliance, often triggered by visible turf issues, recent moves, or HOA inspections. Competition includes national chains and local specialists, so clear pricing, eco-friendly options, and service guarantees are key differentiators. Water regulations and rebate programs also influence which services are in demand and how they're marketed, making drought-tolerant and smart irrigation solutions especially attractive. To stand out, many companies partner with specialized lawn care marketing agencies. The best agencies demonstrate proven success in home services, local SEO, and paid ads, offering services like Google Business Profile Management, content creation, PPC, and conversion tracking. Success is measured by lead quality, conversion rates, and ROI. Optimizing for local SEO means targeting neighborhood-specific keywords, ensuring consistent directory listings, and creating service pages tailored to areas like Summerlin or Henderson. Mobile-friendly, fast loading pages and rich FAQ content help capture both traditional and voice searches, driving more high-value leads.